All right, I've had this thing for over a decade and the rubber broke, but the handle seems to be all right. So I'm going to use this double bubble epoxy that came with some axe heads I got, and I'm going to try to fix it. So I squeezed it all to this side. It says to cut along the line and then squeeze it out. And just mix that all in there. It says it's specifically for striking tools, so I don't know if that makes it a little bit, I don't know the characteristics of this particular epoxy, but it says this is what it's for. So I'm going to mix it all up really good and then slather it on this and jam it in there. And then we'll hit some stuff with it and see how it goes, which is what I've been doing with this thing for a long time anyway. Alright, and take that glove off so I can get a good grip. You know what? I'm gonna shoot the dupe in there. Alright. Alright, I just hit it upside down on a vise. You probably didn't see that, but I just smashed it in there. And I'll wipe the excess off and we'll see how the old girl cures up. I just figured I'd give it a little help while it was curing and make sure it was seated in there well and put a little squeeze on it. I just love an excuse to use this thing anytime I can anyways. Okay, a few days have gone by. Let's see how this thing is. Let's go hit something with it. How about you? I don't like you or the people that put you here. I think it'll hold for a bit. I'll report back if there's problems.